Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Autel Evo, where are you? I'll have that coming right up. I get quite a few comments and questions every day, both in my email address and on YouTube. And I would say without a doubt, the number one question comment that I've been getting lately is, Bill, when are they going to release the Autel Evo? So I thought I'd do a video. Let's take a step back, what we know about the Evo, and let's move a little bit forward here. The Autel Evo was introduced at CES 2018 earlier this year, and that was several months ago. The second thing that we know, that an FCC grant was issued in February for the Autel Evo with a long-term confidentiality, basically meaning that it could be released at any time. The other thing that we do know is that the Autel Robotics had a sale on the X-Star Premium and accessories. And if you remember what I told you, the things to look for when it's close is number one, the FCC grant date. The other, number two, is the previous model is on sale. And both of those have happened already. Now, I direct messaged Autel, and you may remember I talked about this in a previous video, and basically what they told me is that we need to pay attention to what they tell us out on social media, not from any other rumors from anybody else, to pay attention to them. Now, I do get quite a bit of these emails and messages that I get are from people who have pre-ordered the Evo. They are frustrated, concerned, and really want to know what's going on. And, you know, they're asking me, and, you know, I wish I could answer that question for them. And I think the number one thing that everybody's kind of frustrated about is the Evo was introduced at CES 2018, which was several months ago. And now we're in the middle of April. It was almost 4.5 months ago, or almost 3.5 months ago, excuse me. And, you know, getting on to 4 months, and, you know, we're still not hearing anything. And, you know, I know that Autel wants to get a quality product out there. I know a lot is riding on this for them, and I know that they want to make it so, you know, the drone is basically, you know, ready to go out of the box and not going to have any issues. You know, Autel, thank you for a great time with the X-Star Premium that I had. That was a fantastic drone. You know, my advice is, give us some information. Let us know what's going on. If you're tweaking and doing some quality control on the Evo, let us know about that. Give us some information, because a lot of people are very frustrated right now. And if I pre-ordered one too, I would be frustrated as well. If you've pre-ordered one, you know, it's up to you what you do. But my advice is to stay the course, because I believe this is going to be a quality product. I believe it's going to really perform well. I think you'll be impressed with it. I know OriginalDobo went out, and when Autel was over in Orlando, and had a hands-on with it, and he was very impressed with it. And I invite you to watch his video about it. You know, he did find out quite a bit about it at that point. You know, my advice is, if you can, stay the course and wait. Hang in there. It's going to be a great drone. You will not be disappointed with it. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything that's DJI related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account as well, where I do post those same updates. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying.